Hello, welcome to our next topic in visualbasic.net. So our topic for today is about the date time picker control. So remember that the date time picker control allows the user to select or display date and time values with the specified format in window forms. Okay, so let's now use the date time picker control. So ito yun. So if you drag this here, as you can see, there's a what we call date. Okay, once you run the program, okay, it allows you to change the date that you want. So if you click the year, so you can change or move to the specified time or date na gusto mong ilagay. So for example, 1991, and then choose the month that you want, and then the day that you want. So automatically, it will be changed on that format. Okay, so that is the main function of the date control or the date time control. Okay, or the date time picker control natin. Okay, so ano ngayon ang mga pwede natin gawin dito? For example, we will going to have a calculation of your birthday. So we have here the date. So buray muna natin to. Let's make this much bigger. So I go to the font and change the form into different font. So I think 14 is enough. Okay, so data lang natin ng konti, and then let's now drag the date time picker. So we have here this date time picker. Okay, so gagawin natin, this will be for your birthday. No? So I'm going to make a label. Okay. And let's put here a text. Select your birthday. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, we just put this here. And then let's move this. Tapat lang natin. Okay, so you're going to select your birthday here, and then you're going also to select what is the date today. So current date. Okay, so the current date is always on the first part of your date time picker. So ang gagawin ko na lang is we just copy this and then paste it here. So let's put it here, and of course we need to have a button. Okay. So ang bibilangin natin is how many days yung meron from the selected birth date to the current date. So we're going to put here a text, calculate days. Okay. So bibilangin natin kung ilang araw na yung ilang araw ka na nabubuhay. Okay, so lalagay natin yung calculated days or yung total days natin sa baba. Okay, so we put it here. Okay, then text total days. Okay, and then we put here maybe a label. Another label. So, lalagay natin yan dito. Okay? Kung ilan na yung total days natin. Okay, so after that, after doing it, so the next thing to do is of course, lagyan na natin to ng mga naming convention. So, DTP is the naming convention for daytime picker. So, DTP birthday. Okay, so let's call it as DTP birthday. Ito naman si DTP current date. Okay, and then we have button. So BTM calculate days, and also this label. Okay, LB or label is LBL. Okay, total days. Oops. LBL total days. Okay. So, as default, pag niran mo to, meron nakasulat na label 4. Ayan, no? So, we need to remove this label 4 here. So, on the form load, so sabihin mo lang dito, LBL total days dot visible is equal to false. So that yung label, hindi natin kagad makikita. Okay, lalabas lang yan pag clinic yung calculate days. Okay, so let's now proceed. How can we put the codes, okay, on that time picker? Okay, so first, let's go now to the button, calculate days. Okay, ito yan. So, magdi-declare tayo ng variable. So, the first variable will be for the birth date and then current date. So, dim, dd means birth date. Okay, as date. Okay, because we are talking about date. And then, we will going to pass the value of the date, the DTP picker natin sa birth date. Okay, that value. So, pag pumasok ngayon yung value, okay, yung value nung DTP birth date natin, ipapasok natin yan kay BD. Okay, sa birth date. And then, yung second one is for the current date. So, dim, same lang, dim, CD, the current date, as date, okay, is equal to DTP current date that value. So, pinasa lang natin yung mga values. So, we have now the birth date and the current date. Okay, after that, what will be the next? We're going to have another variable to get we're going to subtract these two. Ima-minus natin yung birthday mo dun sa current date. So, we're going to have here let's say the result. Okay, the result as time span. Okay, there is what we call time span. When I say time span, you are going to measure the time from birth date and the current date. Okay, is equal to your birth date, which is BD. Okay, that subtract, meron tayong dt that subtract, db that subtract. Okay, so subtract natin sa loob yung CD. Okay, so the birth date will be subtracted inside the current date, and that will be passed to the result. Okay, after that, ang gagawin natin is we're going to declare another variable. So, dim ds, let's say. Okay, the total natin, days, no? Or days na lang, as integer. Okay, will be equivalent to the result dot total days. Yung total days natin. Okay, so remember, yung result natin dito is naka-times span. So, ang kukunin natin, pag sinubtract yan, kukunin lang natin is the total days. Okay, so we have here the days. Okay, and then after that, we're going to put that inside our label. So, LBL total days that visible muna is equal to true. And then LBL total days that the text is equal to this. Okay, so yung days dito, ipapasok na natin sa total days. So, let's try to run. So, halimbawa, birthday mo is let's change the date. So, for example, your birthday is year 2000, February 1. Okay, this is the day today, Monday, October 11. So if you click calculate days, nag-negative. Bakit? Bakit nag-negative? Kasi may mali tayo dito. So dapat pala, this is the current date, subtract to the birth date. Okay, so subukan natin. Let's run. So, if we move this, halimbawa, select your birth date. Let's say your birth date is kahapon, or let's say nung 8. Okay, if you calculate days, that is 3. Yan. So, you subtract current date, tama, no? Current date, that subtract yung birth date. Okay, so tama. So, if you change this to, let's say, 1990, this is 1990. Palitan natin yung October ng December 12. Okay. So calculate days that you live for about 11,261 days from 1990 until 2021. So those are the things, no, that you can do. So as you can see, you can now calculate days using the time and date picker, or date and time picker. Date time picker control. Okay, so that's it. Ganun lang kadali ang paggamit ng date and time picker. So if you have any question, just message me in my messenger, and I hope naintindihan nyo yung topic natin ngayon. Okay, so thank you very much for listening and watching my video. Okay, keep it up, kayang-kaya yan. Try nyo to sa computer nyo or sa laptop nyo, and explore more, okay, about the date and time picker. Thank you very much, and always keep safe.